Check out our newest feature release, Margin Controls for Columns, now available in both the funnel and website builder. Introducing margin left and margin right options for column elements in our CRM's website and funnel builder, allowing users to easily customize spacing between columns. Why this matters and how it's going to help you. This new feature update is going to allow you to take full control of your website layout by adjusting margin left and margin right for all of your column elements. This update addresses users' concerns regarding column spacing with the introduction of margin options, providing a straightforward, easy-to-use solution. Now you can effortlessly create the desired spacing and margin between columns to achieve a visually appealing website layout. We're going to first access the funnel builder. Now, you can also do this in the website builder, but for this example, let's do this inside of the funnel builder. Go ahead and click on Sites, and then on Funnels, and then on Plus New Funnel. You can choose a blank, or you can select a template. For our example, I'm going to go ahead and select blank. Now, once you're inside of the funnel builder and you are inside of a funnel, you want to go ahead and click that edit page. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to add a section. So go ahead and click on the plus button and then click on sections and then drag over the section size that you'd like to use. Now, you're going to go ahead and select rows. You need to add rows to the section that you've already added. So go ahead and select one with at least 2 columns so that we can mess around with this new feature. And drag that over into your section. Now you'll see both column 1 and column 2 in my example. While you're clicking on those columns, you're going to be able to open up that right-hand menu. Now for this specific example, we are specifically on the second column. And now you'll see the margin left and margin right options so that you can specifically customize those margins for a much more professional and elegant look. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.